Welcome to our guide on making profit on an auction property. After winning a Spanish real estate auction, you have some choices how to make profit. In this video, we will show you how to do this. We show you the 3 options.
What options do I have?
Once the legal process has come to an end, you will be handed over the keys and obtain full ownership of the property. You are now in the position to enjoy your new property by starting your life in Spain. Or you may decide to profit from your new investment. Here are 3 ways you can do this. Option 1. Renovate and resell your property. Option 2. Renovate and rent it out long term. Option 3. Renovate and rent it out short term. Let's begin by explaining option 1. Renovate and resell.
Renovate and resell.
Renovating and reselling your auction property is a great way to maximize your investment. By making strategic upgrades and improvements, you can significantly increase the property's market value. Once the renovations are complete, you can sell the property at a higher price, potentially earning a substantial profit. This option allows you to capitalize on the initial auction savings and the enhanced appeal of a newly renovated home. Master Brokers Auctions is here to make things work for you. Our in-house architect can handle everything, starting with creating renovation plans. As our service goes from A to Z, we can manage the entire process, from design to turnkey delivery. After the renovation is completed, our in-house real estate agent will appraise your property and list it back on the market. When the property is sold and transferred to the new owner, you will directly profit from your investment. Let's provide you with an example breakdown of a real transaction.
December 22nd, 2020.
Auction starts. Our client was interested in an auction of an apartment located in Benihavis. The minimum expected bid was €160,650.
January 11, 2021.
Auction 1. Our client had the winning bid. The total buying price including costs was €223,783.88. With an estimated market value of €320,000, our client has already saved 30%.
October 10, 2021.
Apartment released. 9 months after the winning bid, the property was released and transferred to the new owner. The total costs obtaining the property, €237,600.06.
2021-2022.
We renovated the apartment to high standards and promptly listed it for sale. The total selling cost, €211,389.26.
June 6, 2022.
Sold. The apartment was sold for €650,000. The total investment was €448,989. A profit of €201,010 was realized. Needless to say, our client was happy with the return on investment. Now let's go to option 2, renting out long term.
Renting it long term.
The Costa del Sol is a popular tourist destination, so you could potentially generate rental income from the property. Long-term rental prices on the Costa del Sol are on the rise due to increasing demand and limited supply in this popular coastal region. We estimate the current long-term rental price to be between €2,500 and €3,000 per month, generating a rental income between €30,000 and €36,000 per year.
Rent it out short term.
The Costa del Sol is one of the most popular holiday destinations in Europe, with an increasing number of visitors each year. In 2024 alone, more than 20 million passengers will arrive at Malaga Airport. Many of these visitors are looking for short-term accommodation. Short-term rental properties are typically fully booked during the holiday season. The apartment in our example will rent out for an average of €1,400 per week. The occupancy rate may vary between different areas. Depending on the area and occupation rate, you can expect the following results. Marbella, €59,000 the apartment from the example. Ben Almudena, €55,000. Fuengirola, €51,000. Torremolinos, €47,000. Migas, €44,000. These are estimates in short-term rental income per year. At Master Brokers Auctions, we can handle everything for you: resale, long-term rentals, and short-term rentals.
Are you ready to go ahead?
Now that you've watched the entire video and have a better understanding of the Costa del Sol rental market, we imagine you might still have questions. Please don't hesitate to contact one of our team members. They will be delighted to assist you with any inquiries. Making a profit from Spanish court auction properties can be rewarding but requires local knowledge and professional guidance. By using the Master Brokers Auction services, you'll be well prepared to make a very healthy profit. The momentum is now. Let the specialists from Master Brokers Auctions work and make the best deal for you. Our corporate slogan tells in one line what we are doing. You invest, we take care of the rest. Contact us today and start making profit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our website for more real estate tips and guides. Happy bidding!